Carlo here. In this video, I'm going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy Watch. So let's get started. So here is the official box of the Galaxy Watch 46mm Bluetooth. So in the box, it has long battery life, auto fitness and wellness tracking, 39 plus workout activity support, water resistant 50 meters, and so let's open this up. And right away, it's the watch, Samsung Galaxy Watch. Let's set this aside first. And check natin kung ano pa yung mga ibang laman ng box. So on the left, what is this? Okay. So here's the charger. So meron ding extra smaller in the strap, silicone band. So let's set this aside. On the right naman, so here's the warranty card and the quick start guide. And here's the charger. Charging dock. Look at the Galaxy Watch. So this one, it has a twisting dial. Tapos merong dalawang buttons on the right. So this one is the power button, and on top is the back button. On the back naman is yung sensor. On the left, ito naman yung speakers. This one. And this Galaxy Watch, you can charge it either by putting it on top of the charging dock, just like this, or you can use your phone. Me, I'm going to pair it with my Galaxy S10 Plus, and then open the wireless power share. This one. And now, pwede mo na siyang ilagay din sa likod na part ng S10 Plus, and makikita mo magcha-charge na siya. It's charging now. Okay. So it's 75%. Now let's open the watch and pair this up sa Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus ko. So let's press the power button. There you go. Samsung Galaxy Watch. Now I'm gonna pair this up dito sa aking S10 Plus. Just by downloading, connect. Okay, just by downloading the Samsung wearable. Now let's pair this up. Preparing to connect. Okay, start. Mabilis lang siya. Have the OK button. Okay, setting up your phone 1%. The watch looks pretty solid. Ganda, sobra. So the watch is now ready. Just click on agree. My new Samsung Galaxy Watch. Looks pretty solid, right? So if you want to turn off your screen, just cover and touch with palm. Let's try. Alright. All done. Enjoy your watch. For today. Thank you for watching. See you on the next vlog.